Good afternoon, students. Yeah. So I hope you have observed the change in the timing. Okay. So hereafter English class will begin from 1:45. Okay. And those who didn't notice, or if you see any of your friends are asking doubt about this, please clarify the doubt. The class will be hereafter from 1:45. That new timetable is posted in your class group. Okay. Okay, kids. In the last class, we just discussed and understood how Sudha Murthy has changed the life of women, and she stood for the opportunity of women in front of Jadi Tata. How boldly she stood for the woman, and she responded to the injustice which she has found in the advertisement of telco company, right? So it has changed the work culture of Tata company. It has changed the work culture of such a big company, and they started appointing the ladies in their shop floor. Okay, and you must understand that Sudha Murthy, after getting the opportunity as the first woman to work in Tata Motors, must have worked so hardly and might have proven that the ladies can do this work. So it's not that she has just written a letter to JRD and then she has stopped it. Okay. It is that she has not only written the letter, but she proved through her work that the ladies can do that work. Okay. So, mom, can you please send the video of lesson 9 so that we can write question and answers if you made the PPT? Rashi Virtkar, lesson 9 is so that we can write question and answers if you have made. Rashi Virtkar, are you new to the class? Do you mean that you want the video of Sudhamurthy's lesson, a letter to J.R.D. Tata? Rashi, are you asking for the video of a letter to J.R.D. Tata? Please respond better. Rashi Virukar, I am waiting for your response. Rashi, please fast. Do you mean that you want to see or you want to get the video of a letter to J.R.D. Tata? That is lesson number 9, right? So I see that video of lesson 9, right? Rashi's response is not here. Come on, fast, hurry up. Okay. No, mom, I'm asking because yesterday. What? No, mom, I'm asking because yesterday what happened? But actually on 30 January, today is 3rd February. Yes, I have sent a message. Why? Because I have posted this video in your class group. Please refer your class group and please refer whatever I am posting. Okay, January 30th, I have posted the video of Sudha Murthy in your class and asked all the students to watch it. Okay, so today is 3rd February. Okay, you please refer your class group. Already the video is posted on January 30th. Okay. Okay, that's why I asked you yesterday to complete this work because I know that I have posted, right? So today we will just discuss the question answer session of this particular lesson. Then very quickly we will go to the next lesson, which is highly motivating for the kids. Okay, not only for you, I also got motivation from that particular lesson. So you can see this. Who is the writer of the story? You tell me. Who is the writer of this story? A letter to J.R.D. Tata. This is the question which I asked you many times and you have already written the answer. Right? So, children, hurry up. Who is the writer of this story, A Letter to J.D. Tata? Hurry up, hurry up. See, you have to use capital letter whenever you are writing a proper noun. Pramod Dikshit, Suryansh Dikshit, are you in first standard or something of that sort, bete? Abhishek Sharma, why don't you use capital letters? Okay, Sudha Murthy is the writer of this particular letter. So many times I told you S should be capital, M should be capital. After you come to know about the mark of your examination, don't cry. I have nicely cut the mark for the student. Mark for not using the capital letter at the correct place. Okay. Half mark to 1 mark I have deducted from the children for, because they are not using the capital letter at place. Where was the writer at that time? Was that her birthplace? What had she been doing there? This is all about this incident which has taken place. Where was she at that time? First question we will attend. Okay, when she was writing this particular postcard to J.R.D. Tata, where was she? Where was Sudha Murthy when she was writing this letter to J.R.D. Tata? Hurry up with your answer. Don't write simply Bangalore. Write the particular place in Bangalore. Where was she? Was she in Christian college? Was she in medical college? Or was she in the market? Where was she? Write exactly the place. Simply writing Bangalore will not do. You exactly pinpoint the place. Where was Sudha Murthy when this incident was taking place? Bangalore is a very large area, very large city. If you write Bangalore, that cannot be the answer. Exactly. No, she was not. This is what I told you. You just pinpoint the place. She was not in a medical college. She was not a medical student. Yes, she was in Bangalore IISC. IISC means Indian Institute of Science. Okay. She was in the IISC campus, Bangalore. That is the correct answer. She was not a medical student, right? She was not in Gulmogar's My Dear Midole. Okay. She was not in Medical College Neelakant Pavas. She was not a medical student. She was an engineering student and she was studying in IISc Bangalore at that time. Second question, was that her birthplace? आपको लगता है वो वहाँ ही पैदा हुआ है बैंगलोर में? Was that her birthplace? Yes or no? Post immediately. Hurry up. Was that her birthplace? Next question. Hurry up. What is the meaning of okay, madam? Yes or no only you write. Was that her birthplace? No. Okay. Then third question. What was she doing there? What did she go there for studying dance or did she go there for picnic? What was she doing in IISc campus Bangalore? Come on, hurry up. What was she studying? You have to mention clearly. Okay. What was she doing there? That means in IISc campus Bangalore. Hurry up with your answers. She was studying there. What was she studying? She was studying engineering. Partial answer. She was studying engineering. Okay. She was studying engineering. Okay. So you can see the answer. Sudha Murthy was in Bangalore at that time. No, Bangalore is not her birthplace. She was studying engineering at IISc Bangalore at that time. Okay. So next question is, why was she upset? What did she decide to do? Why was Sudha Murthy upset? उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा बिल्कुल. When she saw the advertisement of telco, she was very upset. Why? What made her being upset? Lisha, Labanch, it is something which has happened in the past. So you have to use she was. Okay. Now tell me, why was she upset? Why was she upset? Yes, Iron Tiwari wrote one of the reason, right? Because there was a line at the bottom of the advertisement which was which read like this: lady candidates need not apply, right? That's why she was upset. And second question is what? Yes. Next question is what did she decide to do? What did she decide to do? Mitole, what are you writing here? It is very funny. Huh? Okay. So you can write in your language, I can understand. So what did she decide to do? Once she saw that lady candidates need not apply, did she leave it there? Did she leave the matter there? Or what did she decide to do? How she decided to respond? Come on, hurry up. What was her decision? Once she saw this statement, did she sit quietly? Did she ignore it? Did she just left that place? Or what did she do? Yes, Agurdi came up with the answer. Good. She decided to write a letter to J.R.D. Tata. She decided to write a letter to the top official of Tata company. Sudha was upset because she had seen telco company had invited applications only from male candidates in their advertisement. She decided to write to the top person at telco about the discrimination shown in their advertisement. Okay, there are new words. You have to learn the spelling of advertisement, discrimination, candidates, applications, all this. Okay. Now, there are some true or false. Given below are some statements about the story. Say whether they are true or false. Sudha Murthy was a brilliant student. Come on, hurry up. Sudha Murthy was a brilliant student. Is this statement true or false? Hurry up. Sudha Murthy was a brilliant student. Is this statement true or false? If I open this PPT, I know you can see. So I will refer my textbook and ask you. Sudha knew that. Second question. Yes, true. It is a true statement, right? Otherwise, she will not get admission in IISc campus itself, right? So now answer question number 2. Sudha knew that she could be called for the interview. सुधा मूर्ति को पता था उसको इंटरव्यू में बुलाएंगे. Sudha Murthy knew. Second question. Sudha Murthy knew that she would be called for the interview. True or false? Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, it is false because she was having no idea whether she will be called or she will not be called. Right? So, now question number C or third question. Sudha was sure that she would not be selected for the job. सुधा को ऐसा ही लगा है मुझे जॉब में बिल्कुल नहीं लेंगे. When she was attending the interview, Sudha Murthy thought that she will not be given a chance to work with the Tatas. True or false? Third question. Sudha was sure that she would not be selected for the job. Yes, it was a true statement. You are writing the correct answer only. Because she knew that she won't be selected. That's why she was very bold to give the answer to the panel. Now, Sudha met JRD at the interview. Sudha Murthy JRD Tata को पहली बार इंटरव्यू में मिला है, देखा है. Is it correct? Question number 4. Sudha Murthy met JRD Tata at the interview. Question number 4. Hurry up. Sudha Murthy met JRD Tata at the interview. Yeah, it's a false statement because she met Jadi Tata after joining in the company, and Mr. Mulgaonkar, who was the unit head, has introduced Sudha Murthy to Jadi Tata. This is what we have learned, right? So number 5, Jadi Tata did not know about Sudha's letter. Jadi Tata को सुधा की लेटर के बारे कुछ भी पता नहीं था. Is it a true statement or false? Fifth statement or fifth question. Jadi Tata did not know about Sudha's letter. Yeah, it's false. He has seen that letter, then he has responded to that particular letter. Right. List the words used to describe J.R.D. Tata. List the words used to describe J.R.D. Tata. What does this reveal about the writer's feelings? What are the words that are used to describe J.R.D. Tata? क्या क्या वर्ड यूज किया है सुधा मूर्ति? And what does it reveal about her feeling towards J.R.D. Tata? A great man, busy person, and something positive. That's all. Kindness, yes, kind man. Then but a sir is a salutation. It is not a description. You have to use the adjectives to speak about. Yes. Nityan Chauhan has given the almost correct answer. He was a busy person, role model for simplicity and kindness, and he was generous. Yaha Agurdi Agarwal came with the other point, that is generous. Okay. So that is what which she was speaking about J.R.D. Tata. A great man, a busy person, a role model for simplicity, generosity, and kindness are the phrases used by the writer to describe J.R.D. Tata. These phrases indicates that the writer had great respect and admiration for him. Right. Now, question number 6. The main purpose of this text is to highlight Sudha Murthy's achievement, the achievements of Tata Company, the greatness of J.R.D. Tata. Means why this lesson or this particular paragraph is given to you for learning. Is this to describe Sudha Murthy's greatness? Sudha Murthy बहुत अच्छी writer है ये सब बताने के लिए. Or it is to mention about the Tata company's magnificence? Or is it to say that J.R.D. Tata was a great man indirectly? Yeah. You can write the options number A, B, C. में. Come on, hurry up. Yes, the greatness of J.R.D. Tata. Yesterday, many of you, while I was taking the lesson itself, said that, yeah, J.R.D. is a great person. You were having a lot of information about him, his charity, his way of thinking, right? Why we do this? Why we look at J.R.D. Tata when there are crores of other people in India? Because we consider him someone special, great, right? That's why we read something which is about him in social media, or when we see Ratan Tata's picture, immediately we pay attention, right? So here after this I have given the meanings, what is given in the textbook, and I have given some fill in the blanks exercise also. And I have told you to complete this exercise in your notebook and send to me as your homework, but only 2 students have sent it yesterday. Okay, so you know that at the end of the month there will be a list published in your class as homework defaulters. All your names will come there. Okay, if I give any homework hereafter, I will not tell you to do it on daily basis as soon as I give, but you have to do it on your own without my reminding. Don't wait for my reminder. If I said today you do it, you do it. 30th I have posted this video, and yesterday was 2nd. February 2nd. Okay. So I have got only 2 students homework yesterday. You no need to mention who are they, right? Those who send, they know. So remaining students, be ready to see your name in the list. Okay, I will wait till today, but hereafter I will not wait for the next day. The day in which I post the homework, that day itself I want to receive it. Okay. So that's all about Sudhamurthy, the greatest writer. And we will just wind up this lesson. If any of you have any doubts, immediately type the doubts. If you don't have any doubt, we will be going to learn about another greatest person who, this is about J.R.D. Tata, who is considered as a great man in India and he is well known in the world itself. But we are going to learn about another personality who is an international fame now in the next lesson. Students, if you have doubt about Sudhamurthy's lesson, please write it. If you don't have any doubts, I will be waiting for a few more, little more time. Then I will move ahead with the other topic. Ah, very good. Mithole, wait there. So here we are going to just see and discuss about another person, right? You just see the title from the box to the box. This is lesson number 10. From the box to the books. What do you understand from this title? From the box. Box के अंदर से book में जाना है. What is the meaning? From which box? Can you just guess which box is meant here? From the box to the books. It means these books were the destination of these children and it has changed the life of somebody. But the box was the barrier. What is mean by box here? Okay, Nityan Chauhan read this book, I hope. So good. So box means it is the TV. Okay, in olden days there were no smart TVs as slender as today. Okay, it was in box shape. You might have seen in grandparents' house or you might have seen it in the village. It was like a box. From the box to the books means from the TV to the books. Now all the children are fond of using the mobiles, watching the games, cartoons, etc. Right? Many years back, there were no mobile phones and there were no cartoons. There was TV which is in box shape. So the kids of those days were fond of watching TV for hours and hours. Okay, that is what has happened with the story characters of this particular lesson also. Okay, and they shifted their concentration from the TV to the books because a particular incident occurred in their life which has changed the perspective of their life and helped them to secure very good jobs and became international celebrities in their life today. Okay, so this is a very great and inspirational lesson. This is not a just a story. This is a real life story. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of real life story? What is the meaning of real life story? What do you understand when you hear the word real life story? Can you just type in the chat box what do you understand when you hear real life story? Hurry up. That happened in the real world, the story which was happened in real life, it is something that happened really. Yes. So real life story means all the children should respond, then only I know you are there in my class. Okay, 32 students, if you are attending, all 32 should post the answer whether it is correct or wrong. A real story of a person, Abhishek Sharma, perfectly, that is correct. So, all the 36 children's answer I am expecting. Okay. So, this means it is the story or it is an incident which took place in the life of someone. Okay. So, that is called a true story or real life story. So, let's see in whose life it happened and what is he today or how it has influenced his life. Look here. Can you see a child here? Right? I hope you can see the child, right? So now you look here. Is the child interested in reading? You just see how the child is handling this book and see the shape of the book, how crushed, and the child is keeping both the hands on the book and nicely sitting. Right? From this picture, what do you understand? Yeah, you are writing no. So that's correct. It was 1961. My God. I was also not born. Right? So it was 1961 and I was in the fifth standard. Who was in the fifth standard? Is it Pauline madam in fifth standard or you? Or someone else? Who is in fifth standard? It was 1961 and I was in the fifth standard. Yeah, he is not interested in the books. By seeing how he is handling and he is sitting and dreaming, we can understand that the child is not at all interested in books. Right? It is not the poet. A person who writes a paragraph or a story is called a writer or author. Okay, a person who writes poem is called a poet. Okay, it's the writer who is writing this story was in 5th standard in 1961. My marks in the school were miserable and strange thing was I didn't really care. Our father had left us. So this boy was in 5th standard when this incident took place. Or the writer was in 5th standard. Okay. And the most miserable thing what was very which made all these changes were his grades in his school. His performance in the school was very poor, very miserable, very poor performance in the school. And as like many of the students, he was not at all bothered about his low performance in the school. He had nothing to do with the education. He was very tension free and not at all paying care about his study. And his father had left us. Our father had left us means उसका पापा ने उसको छोड़ दिया था, ये लोगों को छोड़ दिया. That means his mother was taking care of the kids. Okay, so you see the life is very miserable and they are not studying too. What is the future for them? Right? Who will think about this now? Father is not there. Then who will think about it? Who will think about this? What do you think? बच्चे पढ़ रहा ही नहीं है. Okay? And they are in a very miserable condition. ये लोग आगे बढ़ के क्या करेंगे? Who will think about this? Yes, your answer is correct, mother. She was a very good mother. She thought about it very carefully and seriously and she changed their lives. How she changed their lives? You all read the textbook today and understand. Tomorrow we will have a discussion about it. Okay, so I have shared your attendance link so you people can mark your attendance. Those who didn't complete the homework which is given yesterday should complete it and send to me. And I know you have a class again, so children please join the class. Okay, those who have posted the attendance can leave the class. All of you read the textbook. Okay. See you children. Take care.